Hello everybody, welcome back again with Italian Cook with Antonio. If it's your first time, please subscribe and share with your friends if you like it. Thank you very much. Today what I'm going to do some Linguini Allo Scoglio, which is with the seafood. And all my ingredients which I'm going to use I'm going to use clams, which is the little neck, some mussels, baby octopus, some calamari, ring, and some peeled shrimp. I'm going to use some cherry tomato or grape tomato, fresh garlic, some pepperoncino, pinch salt, and some fresh parsley with olive oil. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the water to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to do the sauce. Okay, let's get ready for the sauce. With the pan, I put some little oil in there. Add some garlic, just to give a little flavor now. Okay, we're going to start to put some the clams now. With the mouth. Make sure when the oil is too boiling, you put the clams and mussels. Make sure you have the cover empty because the oil is going to be all over. We're going to add a little water. Give the time to steam it. We're going to open it. Okay, I think they're already there to be taken out. Now they open. We're going to put it on the side here. We're going to put that. We're going to start all over again with garlic. Oil, garlic, and then we're going to add the pepperoncino. If somebody like it, you don't need to put them in. Use a little parsley in the beginning. Then I'm going to start to put some octopus. Then I'm going to add some tomato. They need a little extra time to cook. Pinch of salt. And I'm going to add the squid. In the end, I'm going to put some the shrimp. We'll let it cook a little bit to be a nice coloring. I'm going to add a little white wine, which I forgot to tell you about before, but you need a little white wine, just a splash, and you cover about 4 minutes. We're going to put the shrimp and we're going to add everything in. Meantime, we're going to let boil the water. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to put down the linguini. Let's wait till, in the meantime, we go stirring the sauce. tomato is already giving a little coloring. They give a nice color. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add those shrimp. So you don't need to cook much. It's a little bit tough. Add a little more parsley. Okay, we cover them up again. Wait, the linguini are ready to put them together. Let's find a spoon here. Hold on. Yeah. It's my tongue, that's what I mixed a little bit. Sorry, I'm gonna put some of the clams. We're gonna warm it up on the side here. I put the clams things to let warm up. You don't need to put them in, just you put on the side and then you garnish your plates. Yeah. Add a little parsley. If anybody, a little pepper. A little pepper. Here you are. My linguini allo scoglio. And now this delicious dish I'm going to accompany with a nice falanghina. Nice and chill. Cheers, salute. Buon appetito. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.